Minnie, that's baby Minnie, loves horses. She gives the baby some hay, and the baby foal eats his lunch. Oh, he's eating hay. That's his lunch. And baby Mickey can moo like a cow. He pets the baby calf. Oh, he loves the calf. See how he pets him? And the baby calf and the mother cow eat grass all day long.
You don't like the story? What's your problem?
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster wakes up baby Goofy. The seeds go flying, and the hen and her 3 chicks find their food. That's the mother hen and the baby chicks. 1, 2, 3. And baby Pluto sees a mother pig, but where are her piglets? There they are. They're busy eating what? What is this? Corn. Oh, they love corn. Let's see what else. There's another page. And baby Donald is eating too. What happened to his paper bag? There's the mother goat, and some animals eat anything. Oh, I didn't know that.
What do
That's a
you
goat.
What do you eat, G? Oh, he ate some apples?
He has a sandwich and a carrot. And that's all. And that's on the farm. That's a little chick, a baby chicken. And that's a pig. And that's donkey. Oh, a goat? Yeah, maybe.
More books? You gonna get another book?